Hi, first graders. This is Ms. Choi. This week in science, you'll be focused on the topic Parts of Plants from Unit 2, Design from Nature. Let's begin with Part 1, Exploration. Reflect. What did you eat today? Did you eat any fruit? How about vegetables? If so, you ate some plant parts. Fruits and vegetables come from plants. What are other parts of plants? How do these parts help plants live and grow? Nutrients, substances that help plants grow. Plants have roots. Roots are like tiny sponges. They soak up water from the soil. Roots anchor a plant. That means roots help keep a plant in one place so it does not fall over. Roots grow underground. Sometimes they also grow just above the ground. They also take in nutrients that help the plant grow. The plant roots are circled in blue. Try now. Look at the plants below. Circle the roots. Let's try the first one together. I have my plant here. But remember, roots grow underground. So I'm going to circle the roots. Try to find the other roots on your own. Plants have stems. Stems support the plant so it stands tall. The stem helps the leaves reach the sunlight. Stems hold the weight of flowers and fruits. Many leaves and flowers grow on soft stems that bend. Tree leaves do not. They grow from hard branches. Branches are smaller stems that grow from tree trunks. This plant has a soft stem that can bend. Tree trunks are hard, woody stems. Try now. Look at the pictures below. Circle the picture that shows leaves growing from soft stems. Draw a square around the picture that shows leaves growing from the branches. Let's try the first one together. Look at this plant. These leaves look like they are growing from a stem that is bendy. Let's put a circle around it because this is a soft stem. What about this tree? The leaves are growing from branches, so I'm going to put a square around it. Try the last two on your own. Try now. Watch how a stem takes in water. Step 1. You need a celery stem, a jar, and red food coloring. You also need a spoon and some water. Step 2. Fill the jar almost full with water. Step 3. With an adult's help, squeeze 10 drops of food coloring into the water. Step 4. Stir the water to mix in food coloring. Step 5. Place the celery stem in the jar. Step 6. Let the celery soak for a day. Step 7. Check the celery. Are any of its parts red? You don't see the roots, right? But water can still travel up the stem. You can see that the water moves up the plant. The stem and leaves are red. Many plants have flowers. Flowers have colorful petals and seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. The flower has yellow petals. There are small seeds in the center of the flower. Some seeds grow inside fruit. The fruit protects the seeds. Plants have leaves. Plants can make their own food. The leaves use water, sunlight, and air to make that food. Plants use the food to grow. Leaves come in every shape and size. Their shapes and sizes have to do with where they grow, the amount of sunlight they get, and the amount of water they get. These are maple leaves. These are maple leaves on a branch. Ferns grow in dark, cool forests. They have many small leaves. There is little rain where a cactus grows. Their leaves have turned into needles to save water. The lotus plant's leaves grow on top of the water. Their roots grow at the bottom of the lake. Leaves in the wet jungle are wide and flat to catch the most sunlight. Everyday life. Can you eat it? We can eat many plant parts. We eat seeds, such as peanuts and walnuts. We eat fruits and lettuce leaves. We even eat stems, flowers, and roots. Can you think of a plant part you have eaten today? We eat broccoli flower petals. We eat celery stems. When we eat carrots, we're eating roots. What can we learn from plants? You have seen how the different parts of plants have different jobs. Plants also have interesting ways to protect themselves and their seeds. There are also many ways plants spread their seeds. Pine cones keep the seeds safely under their scales until they are ready to sprout. Dandelions use the wind to help carry their seeds to a new place. Look at the pictures below. Discuss how the plant parts are similar to the human made objects.